Hello everyone, myself Ruchita from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, studying in 5th CC. Today I'm here to talk about computer networks. The topic is about network technology, from local to global. Coming to network technology, it is a technology that enables data exchange between large and small information systems within an infrastructure via the use of communication or network protocols. Although network technology has become integral to our lives, it didn't start that way. In fact, the evolution of network technology has been one of the most transformative advancements we have seen in technology. Today, we rely on things like online banking, e-commerce, social media, and even the internet itself. But all this was possible due to networking and network technology. Coming to the past about network technology, since the earlier days of communication, networking has come along a long way. We have graduated from telegraph to instant message services, and in between, we have seen everything from telephones to wireless mobiles, computers, satellite-based networking, and cloud computing. Earlier, we have never entertained the possibility of having a global infrastructure devoted to networking, but here we are. Coming to the present, network technology has reached its apex and is likely to lead for the next chapter. Today, we are using network technology for almost everything, from interpersonal communication to business, information gathering, education, and even healthcare. IoT devices have also become a part of network technology, thus allowing us for better control over our homes. Coming to the future of network technology, as things stand, chances are well we will soon have a few major breakthroughs in networking. In fact, we have already have 5G, which has taken networking to the next level by offering much fast speeds, consistency, and low latency. It is also more likely to support initiatives such as autonomous vehicles and even smart cities. Coming to the type of network technology, based on classification of technology and how it operates, that is, transmit and scale, we can divide them into two broader segments based on transmission and based on scale. Network technology based on transmission. Point to point. A network where two nodes are connected directly by a medium, and the sender and the receiver can both transmit data through the medium. Here, the nodes have to be accessible during a separate time slot. Multi-point. A network where multiple nodes are connected to a single medium. Instead, similarly, any communication between these nodes can occur simultaneously. Coming to network technology based on scale, PAN, LAN, MAN, internetworks, home networks, WAN and VPN. PAN stands for Personal Area Networking, WAN for Local Area Networking, MAN for Metropolitan Area Networking, WAN for Wireless Area Networking, VPN Virtual Protocol Network. Let's go in brief. PAN, Personal Area Network. There's a computer network and it allows communication between computer devices close to a person. These networks can be wired like USB, otherwise firewire, and also these are wireless like IR, ultra wideband, and Zigbee. The range of this network is normally some meters. The best example of this is mainly into wireless keyboard, cell phone, headset, printer, barcode scanner, wireless mic, and game consoles. This network is mainly used for personal purpose. Coming to LAN, a network, a alternate name of LAN is actually Executive Network, and this network uses devices like computers, laptops, and mobiles that are connected in a small range, which ranges from 100 meter to 10 kilometers. The properties of this network mainly depend on its users, speed, range, as well as error rate. The main elements of LAN mainly include the following: peripheral devices like printer, scanner, etc. Hub or a middle of a network that can be accountable for attracting the signals. It is smart enough for transmitting the data packets from the sender to the receiver. Cables like twisted pair, optical fiber, and coaxial cable are used as backbone cables due to their high bandwidth capacity. Nodes, PC, computer, host, server, workstation. Come to Metropolitan Area Network. It is made of interconnected LANs because LANs are smaller. They are usually more efficient than WANs. Since data does not have to travel over large distance, LANs typically combine the network of multiple organizations instead of being managed by a single organization. Most LANs use fiber optical cables to form connection between LANs. Often a LAN will run on a dark fiber, formerly unused fiber optic cables that are able to carry traffic. These fiber optic cables may be leased from private sector internet service providers (ISP). WAN Wide Area Network. A network where numerous WANs are united jointly through a networking device is known as a route, and it forms a wide area network. The WAN technology in computer networks there are two types of WAN, namely public WAN and a private WAN. Public WAN, this kind of WAN is handled through government decisions, and private WAN, this kind of WAN is expanded by the Department of US Military Defense, being known as ARPANET. WAN elements. The elements of WAN are bridge, router, gateway. The bridge is a device used to connect related otherwise different lines. The router is a device used to connect related otherwise different networks. Gateway is one kind of device used to connect networks by using various types of architecture. For instance, by using this gateway, communication between a mobile device containing 4G connection and a landline device containing 2G connection. VPN, Virtual Private Network. It started virtually on a public network for communicating as well as transmitting the data from sender to receiver. This network creates a secure encrypted link above a less secure network like the public internet. This network uses a tunneling protocol for encrypting and decrypting data at the ends of the sender and receiver. Coming to the home networks is on the horizon. The fundamental idea is that in the future most homes we will set up for networking. Every device in home will be capable of communicating with every other devices, and all of them will be accessible over the internet. Many devices are capable of being on network. Some of more obvious categories are as follows. Computers like desktop PC, notebook PC, shared peripherals, come to entertainment, TV, DVD, camera cards, camera, MP3, coming to telecommunication, telephone, mobile telephone, intercom, fax, coming to the appliances like micro oven, refrigerator, clock, fans, lights, coming to telemetry like utility meter, smoke, burglar alarm, thermostat, baby cat. Coming to internet, it is a collection of interconnected networks called internetwork or internet. A common form of internet is called collection of LANs connected by WANs. Subnet means the most sense in the context of a wide area network, where it refers to collection of routers to the communication line owned by the network operator. Telephone system consists of telephone switching offices connected to one another by high-speed lines and houses and business by low-speed lines. Lines and equipments owned by the telephone companies form the subnet of telephone system. The combination of a subnet and its host form a network. An internetwork is formed when distinct networks are interconnected. Coming to the advantages of network technology, the network technology is extremely flexible and can be applied to move to almost anything that we do online. It is not only improves our communication capability but also makes accessing information much easier. Networking has made resource sharing faster and more convenient. It is very cheap and it also provides alternative methods for data storage. Coming to the disadvantages of network technology, it is very robust and centralized. It lacks privacy and freedom. The technology has also created some security vulnerabilities. It also propagates some new threats such as malware and some ransomware. It requires oversight monitoring, and an operator person. Initial setup costs can be very high, and it also requires skilled technicians and a workforce for a better management and a efficient upkeep. This is all about the network technology. Thank you.